As always, we want to be aware of the fundamental elements that cause Forex markets to move dramatically, and that is the high impact news items that will be released during the week. And for this upcoming week, we only have a few items that we really need to pay attention to, and that's nothing on Monday or Tuesday. And then on Wednesday, we have the New Zealand dollar interest rate, which is projected to be hiked by 75 basis points. So that's going to be quite dramatic. And then on Wednesday, there are some news items on the euro and the pound. And then the biggest one for the week, and we need to be very aware of this one, is on Thursday, late in the night, actually late night Wednesday, or early Thursday morning, depending on where you live. For us in Asia, this is going to be very late. Wednesday, it'll be 2 a.m. For me here in Laos, or if you're in Thailand or Vietnam, very late Wednesday or early Thursday morning, 2 a.m., and that's the FOMC meeting minutes, which will affect the movement of the US dollar currencies and, of course, gold as well, which is paired with the US dollar. So be sure and check forexfactory.com for your local times and be aware of these high-impact news items that will be released during this week and will cause a lot of volatility in the currency movements. So with just a brief review of the trade setups that I shared with you last week, and this is very brief because hardly any of the pending orders opened that I had planned. It was just one of those kind of weeks, you know. So, sometimes it's like that. You can't make 1,000 pips a week. Sometimes it's a quiet week. Sometimes things go the wrong direction, and this was one of those weeks. But in fact, none of the major U.S. pairs opened. None of the pending orders that I had set executed during the week. But two of the Japanese pairs did execute, and one of those was the odd JPY. We had a sell limit at 93.40, and that opened on Monday, and then it went the wrong direction. Okay, so depending on where you had your stop loss, you would have likely been stopped out on that. If you didn't have a stop loss, then you would still be in the trade. It did come in back on Thursday and go into a little bit of profit, then move back up on Friday. And if you're still holding that, you're in a slight loss. Let's just look and see what I have for this pair, odd JPY, for the upcoming week. Then the other pair that did execute was the CAD JPY, which the pending order opened on Tuesday. And then if you held on to that one to the end of the close on Friday, you would have finished with 156 pips. And I don't believe the GBP JPY did open also, but that one is right now just at break even. So no profit, no loss on that one, and I'm holding that trade, and we'll see how it unfolds during this upcoming week. So let's have a look at the trade setups that I'm going to share with you for this last full week of November 2022. Now remember, these trade setups that I'm sharing with you, these are the trades that I am likely to be taking. These are the plans that I have in place. This is my perspective on what I see happening in the market, and I'm not giving financial advice. I'm not asking that you take these same trades. I'm not recommending or suggesting you take the same trades. It's completely up to you if you want to take the same trades. It's up to you to manage your own account and to use good risk management. So starting off with the Euro US, I have a buy limit. Euro US is bullish, so I have a buy limit at 1.0243. And with the odd US, I also have a buy limit as it continues to be bullish. The entry price is 0.6630. The New Zealand US, I have a buy limit, and the entry price is 0.6060. For the pound US, I have a buy limit at 1.1740. And then let's skip down to the Japanese pairs that I always share. And the odd JPY, I have a sell limit at 93.86. So that will complement the trade setup that I had last week that I said was in a little bit of a loss at the moment. But if you're still holding on to that, it's likely to continue down, as showing bearish on the day chart. So a sell limit on the odd JPY at 93.86. The CAD JPY also a sell limit with the entry price at 105.50. 1.80, and the Swiss JPY with a sell limit at 147.40. And to finish off with a favorite of most people, and that is gold. Okay, it looks like gold could be turning bearish. Okay, it's still bullish on the day one chart. It's a little bit slow to indicate that it is turning bearish when we're looking at the day chart. And it is showing bearish on the H4, the 4-hour chart. So we could be seeing a change in direction, but no confirmation. So I'm not giving a signal on gold. I'm going to wait and see how this unfolds. And remember, we do have the FOMC statement, which is coming out late Wednesday or early Thursday, depending on where you live. But if gold should start to move up, we have resistance at 1760, 1780, 1792. We have support at 1740 and then 1707. Those are our major support levels. Now, I'm not giving a signal on gold, but I will probably be looking to trade gold as the week gets started, perhaps on Tuesday, maybe even Monday or Tuesday, see how gold starts to move as the week takes off. And I'm not giving a signal here on YouTube on my video, my weekly analysis, but if you want to get the signals from my regular signal group, okay, the sign-up links are below here. They're absolutely free. The official line account, or you can contact me on Telegram. On both of those applications, I give signals during the week. So there will likely be a signal for gold during the week, either online or on Telegram. Okay, thanks again for being here. I appreciate it. Any comments or questions or inquiries, just leave them below this YouTube video. And don't forget to subscribe and click the little notification bell so you get notified every time I make one of these videos, which is every Sunday before the market opens on Monday. Okay, thanks again. I appreciate it. Have a great week of trading, and let me know if you'd like to hear some analysis on different currency pairs, or if you appreciate this video, please give a like, love, and share. If you're sharing it on Facebook, it inspires me to be here and do this every week. Thanks again. Take care. Have a great week. Bye-bye.